everyone and welcome to the Siddhi's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today we will make Goan prawns curry, which is staple in almost every Goan cuisine. Everyone has their own version of prawn curry, but today I am showing you the recipe of traditional Goan prawn curry which I have learned from my mom. So let's get started. Let's begin with the ingredients for grinding. For grinding, we require 1 full freshly grated coconut, around 7 to 8 dry red chilies. You can use any type of chilies available to you. Kashmiri chilies, Bedgi chilies or any type. Around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 ball of tamarind and 3 to 4 kokum. Kokum is a very important ingredient for a prawn curry. And also 1 roughly chopped onion. Besides grinding, you also need 1 chopped tomato. Tomato is purely optional. You can skip tomato if you don't want. 1 finely chopped onion. Coriander leaves finely chopped. 4 to 5 slitted green chilies. You can increase the number of chilies if you want. Cleaned and washed prawns. I have taken around 200 grams of non-marinated prawns here. You can marinate them if you want. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is optional ingredient here. You can skip it. But if you add ladyfinger, it gives additional taste to the curry. You can use drumstick instead. Adding veggies to the curry is optional, but it makes curry more delicious. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's grind all the required ingredients to fine paste. Add red chilies, coriander seeds, tamarind, freshly grated coconut, onion, turmeric powder, put some water and make it into fine paste. Now transfer this paste in cooking vessel. I mostly prefer earthen pot for cooking curry to give my curry an authentic taste and nutritional value. Add water to balance the consistency. Please note that the consistency should not be too thick or runny. Keep the pot on flame and wait till the gravy starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, add tomatoes, onion, and green chilies and give it a good stir. After stirring, add ladyfinger to it. Stir well and cook it for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add prawns. Kokum, and coriander leaves. Stir well. And add salt to it. After adding salt, stir it and cook it around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check it if everything is well cooked. And your Goan prawn curry is ready. You can serve this curry with rice. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.